Hi everybody, and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video. In the following video, we'll be looking at working with additional employee fields. Personal tabs are where we can store optional employee information. All options and labels may be customized as needed. Once we've logged into Jarrison Time, we'll head over to the icon bar and click on Employee Details, then click on the Personal One tab. When it loads, we see that there are various fields that have been set up, some of which that are populated and some of which that have been left empty. On the right-hand side, we then have custom data fields. In today's example, we have 3 that are already in use for us to be able to either input whatever information we want to or select from a drop-down. We can also set these custom data fields ourselves. By double-clicking on the blue text that we have at the bottom, a new window will appear. In this new window, we will see that the custom data fields already displayed are seen. And from here, we can input any information we want to create a new one. Today's example, we're going for PPE pant size. Once we have named the field, we then need to configure how this field will behave. Is it a required field, yes or no? Is there a non-selection, as we saw with the height, where we just type the item in? Or is it a set selection, where we will be defining the items that you are selecting? In today's example here, on the right-hand side, we see that the field opens up, and from there, we input the information wanted and press enter after each entry. To add the next entry, clear the last entered characters and repeat until completed. Then we continue until all of the options are added. After that, to double check the information we have inputted, we can then click on the drop-down and see we have SML, small, medium, large for the pant sizes. After that, we can then click on Save. Then close the Custom Fields window, and we are back onto our Employee Details Personal One tab. Here we see that the PPE pant size are now being displayed. We can then select from the available options and click on Save. After that, we can then click on the Close button and go on working with Jarrison Time. That will be all for the video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.